Cherry tree blossom, agrowplants.org. Cherry tree blossom, very impressive, color mostly white, sometimes with a little bit pinkish. In order for the tree to bloom, need chilling hours. There is some varieties, cultivars, that not require the chilling hours or require small amount, but require still the cool winter. Without cool winter, mostly won't bloom. The trees that can have flowers without the chilling hours, they have less fruit without the chilling hours. This, as you see, this is just the beginning of the bloom. All the tree will be white and very impressive blooming. There is a variety of cherries, and mostly recommended to graft. There is a sour, the whipping, and of course the sweet ones that most well known, and the best flavor, of course. You have so many variety you need to choose. That you see some flowers, it doesn't mean that you will get fruits. Sometimes if you don't have enough cold, can cause some problems of that you see the flower but you still don't have the fruits. So we will see this year. This year was very cold here, so we'll get probably a lot of fruits. And that's all from growplants.org. Hope you enjoy. Visit our website, subscribe to our channel, and of course do like to this video. If you have any question, just comment or send a message.